Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. This evening, I'm going to be doing a broccoli bread. This is a recipe that I have been doing for years, and it's absolutely delicious. And it's very easy to make. First off, let me tell you this. To the ones to my old subscribers, you already know I do not put the ingredients in the description box. But to my, I just want the new subscribers to know that. You just have to go back and review the video to see how I mix it up and what ingredients. Because normally I try to line all the ingredients up and show you. So if you have to go back and view the video, it'll be easy to see what I'm using. Excuse me. Hold on a minute. Passing that water. Got the hiccups. I thought the hiccups were gone, but they weren't. But so let me start out telling you what ingredients you're gonna need and how much of it you're gonna need, and then I'm gonna step off and get my mixing bowl and show you how easy it is to mix. Okay, you're gonna need a 10-ounce pack of chopped frozen broccoli. Is I'm putting it in the camera, right? I mean up there where they can see it. And this is supposed to be drained. I put it in my strainer. I'll show you when I come back how I have it. Okay, you're gonna need 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese, and then you're gonna need 1 large onion dice, and you also gonna need 4 large eggs beaten, and then you're gonna need 1 stick of margarine melted, and you're gonna need 1 box of corn muffin mix or cornbread mix or whatever. But this is what this is the only thing I have ever put in it. But when I originally got the recipe, it said corn muffin mix. So, and the way I have it lined it up, when I get ready to mix it, this is the way I mix it. I put my broccoli in, then my cottage cheese, onions, and my 4 eggs, and a 1 stick of melted margarine, and then my Jiffy mix. Okay, and you also gonna need a 10-inch cast iron skillet. You're gonna need to grease that well, and then spray it with a little cooking spray. And this bread is baked on 425 degrees for 30 minutes. According to how long your stove bake, anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes. But I'll talk more about that, and then if it have to bake longer than the 30 minutes, I'll let you know. But right now, I'm fixing to step off and get my onions ready and get my cottage cheese and all that stuff measured out and eggs beaten. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys how easy it is to mix up. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, everyone, I'm back, and let me show you just how easy it is to mix up this delicious broccoli bread. Okay, I got my broccoli, which is thawed, and if it has some water in it, you make sure when you you drain that water out if you thaw it to the level, because mine is not thawed. Throw it out there. Wouldn't have that water in it, but okay, I just put my broccoli in, and I told you I'm gonna mix the first 5 ingredients first. I mean, just mix them in. This is that 3/4 cup of cottage cheese. I'll mix it around a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that large onion dice. That's as simple as that. My lard is all mixed up. Making sure everything is mixed well. Excuse my stomach. Okay, this is those 4 large eggs. You know, I told you to beat them. They're beaten well. I want you guys to leave me a comment and let me know if you ever had broccoli bread before. Like I say, it's been around for many years. I've been making it, I know, ever since the 80s. And this is for you guys that has sent me some of the nicest comments, telling me that how you appreciate what I'm doing, bringing back some of this landmark cooking, landmark style cooking, and that you appreciate me sharing the videos that I have shared with you guys, and you know, you wanted to know more, and telling me how much I have helped you, and I really appreciate those comments. And you know, in the emails and stuff, you know, the ones I sent to you and tell you how you have blessed me with those comments, knowing that you appreciate what I'm and understand what I'm doing. Okay, you guys, this is the which is a half a cup, but 1 stick of butter melted. You know, it's always a plus to be appreciated, because it ain't like somebody, well, the ones of us, not all of us, I can only speak for myself, it ain't like you getting paid. You're like, it's not like you're becoming a millionaire being on this cooking channel. Well, I know I'm not. Well, anyway, and it's very expensive. That's the reason I have some requests, but I fix that when I'm going to be able to use it. I'm going to go in and sprinkle this here box of Jiffy mix in. And then I'm going to mix that well. I'm gonna do another little chit chat with when I get ready to make my I got one juice that I haven't showed you guys. I hope you have watched the video where my daughter did the smoothies. That's what I've mostly been doing, just cooking maybe once or twice a week, and we are eating leftovers. And but most of everything that I'm cooking is, I already have a video for you. I mean, a video on it, so I don't see any need to put another one up. And because when my daughter came home, I was so glad to see her and so thankful that she was able to make it down there. I mean, make it out of Florida and back to Florida before they closed the put up a roadblock where they wasn't letting anybody in. She was really thankful to the Lord for that, because she just wanted to come home to see us. Okay, you guys see that? That's all it is. And this is a delicious bread. I can eat it right by itself. I can get me a glass of sweet tea, and I'll make a meal off of it. But I've been doing her smoothies. I got one more smoothie video that she did that I'm going to put up, and then I got one more juice video that I'm gonna put up, because mostly what I've been doing is the celery and the carrots and the apples, and you know it wasn't no sense in keep showing y'all that because I have already did it, and I told you guys how I was gonna be what I was gonna be doing with the cooking, because I baked some chicken and I barbecued some chicken when she came. I fixed her the collards. She loved those collards, and I baked chicken and rice and fixed some snap beans. I had never put up my snap bean recipe, but I had so much other stuff to do I didn't have time to deal with it. But that's it. I'm gonna put it in this skillet. You see, I got this skillet, grease it well with I put a little cooking oil and the spray, and then I'm gonna bake it up. Now you probably can, if you don't have a cast iron skillet, you probably can bake it in any other oven proof dish, 9 inches. I don't know. I don't like telling you something I have never did before. When I originally got the recipe, that's what it calls for, baking it in the cast iron skillet. So that's all I've ever baked it in. I don't want to, you know, the last thing I want to do is be misguided and misleading to you. So I don't know. And if you want to try this and don't try the 9-inch skillet, let me know how it worked for you. When I do my little chit chat, I think I said in that video with my daughter, I don't know if I said it or not, I can't remember. I'm just going to share little life lessons, little tips, and little lessons that my grandmother and grandfather and mother and daddy had taught me in my growing up that has really, really helped me in life. And I know a lot of you guys will appreciate me sharing it with you, and that's what I'm going to do for the ones that want to, you know, hear it. Okay, let me get this put in the oven, and when I get it put in the oven, I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the broccoli bread. I've just taken it out the oven, and I'm going to let it cool for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to cut it up and show you what it looked like cut up. I just wanted you to see what it looked like once I took it out the oven. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the broccoli bread, and I already done cut you up a nice piece of it so you can see what it looked like on the inside. And like I say, leave me a comment and let me know whether or not you ever had, if I got this where it can be seen, had the broccoli bread before. Tell you what I'm getting ready to do. This piece that I cut for y'all, for you guys, I'm going to eat that with me some oxtail soup. I love it with my oxtail soup. That was one of the reasons I thought to share this recipe with you guys. Because sometimes I used to fix it and eat it with my oxtail soup, but you can have it with baked chicken, barbecue chicken. You can fix it with other kind of sides and stuff you like to eat with the broccoli bread. And I inserted a little clip to show you what it looked like once I got it out the oven. And let me say this real quick before I end this video, you guys. Remember what I told you, when you cook stuff in a cast iron skillet, to as soon as it cools where you can get it out, you go ahead on and remove it, because letting what you cook stay in that cast iron skillet and sweat and that moisture comes up, it'll give it that iron taste. My mama said that's the iron in it, which is supposed to be good for you, but it don't taste good at the bottom of breads or nothing to me. So make sure I got it out that's the reason it looking like it is, because I always get stuff out my cast iron skillet while still. Once it just get warm enough for me to handle it, I mean cool enough for me to handle it, I cut it out. Okay? So, like I say, this is the finished product of it. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell to be notified. And leave me a comment whether or not you have ever had broccoli bread before. If you haven't, you missing a treat. And
share this video.
Thank you for what? And
share your video.
Share this video for me, you guys. And I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.